How to clean dingy bucket. What is the best way to clean dingy bucket naturally? Let me show you in this video how to clean a dingy bucket easy naturally with just two simple ingredients: dish soap and play sand. And if you want to see that, follow me right now. Alright, so this is our dingy bucket, and all this filthy, dirty, sticky will not come off. I'm going to show you how you can just clean this off quickly. If you don't have any cleaning products, the easiest way you can clean this. So you are going to need a sponge. Also, the two things we're going to need for cleaning the dingy bucket is soap. It doesn't matter what dish soap you have, as long as you have a dish soap, that should be enough. I just like this, using this one, because it is a grease cleaning, and so it makes it faster, easier, clean any dingy, dirty things. It cleans it off quickly. It's also good for your dishes, so I like to use this a lot. And then the most important thing we are going to need is the play sand. If you have a play sand at home, or you have one for your kids that they play with, you are going to need this. Just play sand. So you have your play sand, and then with a dish soap. Let's see how this will turn out, and then you can use this at home if you don't have any cleaning product. And just put on your gloves. Now I'm just going to add a little water just all around. And then with my dish soap, I am just going to spray all around it. And then I'm going to wet my sponge in here. And then with that, and then I'm just going to take some play sand and just spray it in there like that, all around. And then with my sponge, then I'll start scrubbing. And to be able to get a base for this so it's not sliding, you can put this on the floor. I'm just doing this on my deck, so I just put it on the wood like that, so it's easy for you to go around it. And then just look at that. Look at how easy that is coming up. And then you have water in here, so you just add that to it, and this should just take you less than 10 minutes to finish cleaning this. Look at that. See how quickly this just came off? And then just go around the edges here, and then flip this over, go around this side as well. Look at that. And then we just clean this inside here as well, which is the handle, the sides. And then once we finish the inside, we already have the soap, so just go outside and just add a little water here, and then just add a little soap. Just drizzle it on it, just the bottoms like that. And then we have our sand, and all you have to do is add more sand. Just go around. All the edges here. Then just go over it quickly one more time. And then we just clean the bottom. The bottom, add little sand, and then scrub it. Then just go to this little corner here. And then you can can see all this corner is all clean already. All the dingy, it's all coming off right off. All the dingy is coming right off. And then once that is done, I'll just go over this one more time. And this should take you less than 10 minutes. Alright. Now this is done. We'll just have to wash this off, and that's it. And I'm going to try it on this as well. See how all this dingy in here. Let's see how we can, if we can take that off as well. Spray it with water. And then put a spray the dish soap in there, spray the place sand. So we are tried on this one as well. Spray the soap in there, the dish soap, and then there you spray your sand, and we are just going to start rubbing. Now that that is done, I'm going to do the same thing outside, just a little water, and then add a little dish soap, add some sand, and then just scrub it. And then scrub bottom, and go to the edges here. All these are done. We are just going to wash them. Now we are just going to wash these off. Wash these off my gloves as well. Alright. And just look at how shining, bright, brand new our dingy bucket is looking now. Look inside. That is amazing. And I've also used the same thing to clean. If you want to see how to clean pots with sand, watch that video as well. And that's it. Just pour this sand away. Look at how shiny. This is all clean. Look at how shiny that is. Just clean the same one here. And just look how clean, brighter this looks. And just give it a quick flash, use the water to get all the sand out from all the wherever they might be hiding, everywhere. And that is done. Same thing done with this, all the angles, the bottom, so you don't have any sand. And that's it. And just make sure you wash your sponge, get all the sand out, and it's good to be used again. Once you wash it, it's all done. Then just wash your gloves, and that's it. And we are done. Hello friends, so I just showed you how you can use dish soap and place sand to clean a dingy bucket. And now we can see how clean this looks compared to before. So now it's clean, it's new again for you. And also you can see how dingy this looks. But now look at this. All by just using dish soap and play sand. So if you have a play sand for your kids that they play with, well, know that that is something you can use to clean anything dingy buckets. And also you can use this to clean bent bottom of your pot. And watch that video next, because I showed you in that video how you can use dish soap and play sand to clean bent bottom of your pot or pan. My name is Florence at florencestraka.com. If you have any idea or any other ways of cleaning dingy buckets or bent bottom of pot naturally, please leave that in the comment section below for me. If you have any questions, leave that as well. And always subscribe to this channel so I can make more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on that video. Take care. Bye.